of learning English grammar for the kids as well as the beginner. So our first topic is about the noun. Now what is noun? Noun means naming word of person, place, animal or thing. Okay, so जिस सेंटेंस में पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग का मेंशन किया होता है उसको हम नाउन कहते हैं, राइट? सो लाइक एग्जांपल वी कैन से दैट रमेश, then Ahmedabad, tiger, table, chair, and so on. Those words are considered as noun. Clear? Now, next kinds of noun. Now, what are kinds of noun? Our first topic is proper noun. Okay, what are proper noun? The noun, the word which is used properly in the sentence. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Those words are considered as proper noun. Okay, like example we can say London, John. See, this capital letters are considered as proper noun. Clear? Our next is common noun. What are common noun? The noun which are used commonly, those are considered as common noun. Like example, we can say that man, city, religion, boys, girls, those are considered as common noun. Clear? Like example, we can say that man, city. This is used commonly in the sentence. Clear? Cities, religion, and so on are considered as common noun. Next is collective noun. Now what are collective noun? The noun which is used for the group of people, those are considered as collective noun, whether it is people or a thing, right? Like example, we can say that audience, flock, group, team, bouquet, those are considered as collective noun. Audience, group, team, bouquet, and so on. Clear? Then our next noun is abstract noun. Now what are abstract noun? The noun which we cannot see them, which we cannot touch them, we just only feel those things. Those words are considered as abstract noun. Like example, we can say that happiness, honesty, sadness, bravery, those are considered as abstract noun. Then next is countable noun. Now what are countable noun? The noun which we can easily count, those are considered as countable noun. Like example, we can say that pencil, apples, students, those are known as countable noun. Students, apple, pen, pencil, those are known as countable noun. And the last is uncountable noun. Now what are uncountable noun? The noun which we cannot count, those are considered as uncountable noun. Like example, our hair, milk, water, those are known as uncountable noun. Food, hair, food, then rice, milk. Those are considered as uncountable noun. So this is all about our topic noun and the kinds of noun. Hope you loved my video. Thank you.